video today. As you can see, I have a whole bunch of things to share with you. This is for my Blessed to Craft Make and Take monthly class. And I'm gonna walk you through what you receive when you sign up for the class and then all of the projects you get to see. So I have lots of them this month. I sort of went crazy again this month and just had so much fun creating these. So let's start with the cards that you get for the Make and Take. And then I'll show you all of the other items. So for my monthly club, when you sign up to get a physical packet, it is $35 a month, and you get a make and take packet, and that is these cards right here. So in your packet that you get from me, you will get all of the items to make this card, except the stamp set and the dies. You can opt to get those items, but you'll get all of the card pieces to put your card together. You'll get a quarter pack of this designer paper, which is absolutely beautiful. I've loved it for my fall projects, and you're gonna see some pretty packaging items that I did, and it all turned out gorgeous. So you'll get a quarter pack of this designer paper. You will also get these embellishments right here. They are the metallic or the brushed metal embellishments, and I loved these. These worked really well on all of these projects. And then you will also get some of the gold, rose gold. So there's two different styles, paper, and that just goes so well with our fall projects. And then you'll get all the items to make these. So all of the die cuts and whatnot. And that is what you get when you sign up for the Blessed to Craft monthly make and take. You get all of those items. When you sign up, you get a welcome gift. So you get a welcome set of dimensionals and a little pouch for that. And then a tracking sheet. And then when you are with me for 6 months, you get a 6-month gift, which is $15 in product. So there are several different options to sign up, and I will leave the link below so you can check that out. I would love to have you. I do a PDF for all of the projects, which has all of the measurements, and then I do videos for all of the projects. And when I have a full class, like I have this month, you get to see all of these different projects. So you'll get a video walkthrough of this, and all the measurements will be on the PDF. And then let me show you all of the items that I have created this month to go along with this class. So the first set of projects I have are pretty packaging items. And this first one is a candle. So for the school, for the elementary school, for Thanksgiving, for the staff, the office staff, and then all of the teachers, I always do a candle. So I just try to find a fall candle. This one is a pumpkin something or another candle. It smells really amazing. I love the glass. I got these candles at Walmart last year. I loved that it had a gold top, and then so I created this, and this is what I will give them for Thanksgiving when we go on break for Thanksgiving, is I will give them a candle. So that's my first pretty packaging. The second pretty packaging I have is this one right here. This is a box that Stampin' Up! Currently has, so you can just get these boxes. They're pretty thin, and then I did some coloring. In this month's class, I'm gonna show you how to do a lot of coloring with Wink Stella and our ink pads. That is what I did a lot of. I just had a lot of fun. I even did coloring on colored cardstock, so you can see that glimmer on there. And I added some texture and shading to this pumpkin. And this is a tin, so you can drop some treats in there. This is a tin that Stampin' Up! Had a few years back. I just had some left over. And then here is a mini coffee cup, and I will show you how to do that. There's a little bit of ribbon on that, and then the stamping. So those are my pretty packaging projects. The next set of projects I have are 2 of these cards. A lot of times I like to do white space cards, and this month I have cards that are black space. So I used black cardstock, and that is my base. You can see inside I've just added some white cardstock, but these cards can be a little bit tricky, a little bit tricky when you are using all black as your base. So there's 2 cards that I will be walking you through of these. These turned out gorgeous. And then I have a set of simple layered cards here, and you will get all the measurements for that. A video walkthrough of these, and they turned out so beautiful. A little bit of ribbon, some pumpkins. I love coloring pumpkins. They're my favorite to color. And then I will have another set of cards, and they will be one sheet wonder cards, and you will see a video for that. The next thing I have, which I've been trying to include more of, are my 12 by 12 simply layered scrapbook pages. So I have this one here. This is our first one. I have 3 of these this month, just like I had last month. And again, I just have loved making these simply layered pages. So there's that one. The next one uses basic black cardstock as my base. And then I colored all of these pumpkins. And again, one of the things that I will be going over a lot in this month's class is how to color your pumpkins, how to color images with your Wink of Stella and an ink pad. So all of the shading that I got on these are just from one color of ink and my Wink of Stella brush. So I really enjoyed that. And then the last one I have here is this one right here. I did some coloring of this floral image. We have some ribbon, some leaves down here. I really enjoyed this one as well. This is the first one I did. I did some stamping right on my base, right here and right here, and then did this layering technique right here. So these turned out really beautiful and I love them. You will get measurements for these and the video walking you through how to put these together. So there's a link in the description. There are a couple ways to sign up. You can sign up for the make and take packet and you get all of the pieces plus the product. You get $20, $15 to $20 of product every single month with your make and take packet. And then you will get access to all of these digital items, the walkthrough of all of the videos and the PDF and measurements for everything. If you just want to purchase the class and not get any product or items in the mail and you just want to see how I've created these and see the PDF and get all of the measurements, that is an option as well, and I will leave that in the description below. The other perk when you sign up for the make and takes is I offer product every single month. So this month I've used this stamp set here, Fond of Autumn. I've used the Hello Harvest. That was my main product. That was the main bundle. And then I did use a couple sentiments out of here. When you're part of Blessed to Craft, you get the option to purchase any of the product that I use and you don't pay shipping or tax when you purchase it through Blessed to Craft. You get to have that just come right in your packet. And it's just a little bit of a perk to joining and being a part of the make and take packet. And you just have that perk of saving a little bit of money. So I will leave all the links in the description below or over on my website. I would love to have you join us this month for this class. And I look forward to catching you in my next video next week after we get through this heat wave that is coming in this weekend. I will be back in my craft room creating for you. I hope you have a wonderful weekend and I will chat with you next week. Thank you so much for checking out my video today. I hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel. Here on the screen are 2 other videos that I have recently put together. I hope that you will check those out and I hope you're having a wonderful day.